First thing I want to do is I want to do a little bit of a practice. I want to set up 45, 45 for my work angle and my drop angle, and then I'm just going to go back and forth, making sure I can clear my entire weld while I'm sliding my hand down this pole. Just make sure you can brace and support. So, I'm going to fire up the machine, cover. As you're executing your falling leaf technique, you want to make sure that you keep your stick out length the same. You want to make sure it's 3/8 of an inch the entire time. There's a natural tendency to want to pull away as you're dropping. The other things you want to concentrate on is not pitching the nozzle. You want to make sure you drop the nozzle, keeping your work angle and your drop angle the same, 45 and 45. Now what we're going to do is, this was above mid-chest. Now what we want to do is reposition, go down to a lower vertical weld, and reposition the gun to be more comfortable.